Welcome back. I'm picking up exactly where we left off in the previous video, which was the master key number 1. I'll dive right in. So here we are at number 1, the foundational map and the threshold of transcendence. Kale illustrates that the number 32 often defines the total set or ladder of a physical system, while the 33rd step acts as the master key that moves the system from stages to actualization. This pattern appears with insistent regularity across the fabric of reality. Scientific and thermal limits. Water remains frozen at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and transitions to liquid at 33 degrees. Similarly, the full spectrum of cosmic temperature spans 32 full orders of magnitude, from absolute zero to almost the Planck limit. Reaching it requires entry into the 33rd order, signifying a threshold of thermal transcendence where the laws of physics break down. I don't know if you're aware that the Planck temperature, shown here on the upper part of this ribbon, is the maximum possible temperature in the universe at which all the laws of physics break down. So it is really the bookend of the highest temperature. And of course, absolute zero is the coldest possible temperature where there's no motion whatsoever. And it's fascinating that it takes 33 orders of magnitude to span that. 32 full orders plus a little bit more, entering into that 33rd order. Matter and energy. The periodic table, when restored to its true symmetry, reveals 32 full columns of matter. Kale speculates that a missing 33rd column would represent the massless photon, the light and energy that animates and is convertible to all matter by E equals mc squared. Biological foundations. The human spine is traditionally counted as 33 vertebrae, with the final segments completing the structural pillar that enables our upright posture, the physical bridge between earth and sky. This biological signature is mirrored in the very scale of our perception, the distance from the smallest theoretical Planck length to the human iris. The oculus through which we witness reality spans exactly 33 orders of magnitude. This positions the human observer as occupying the 33rd order of absolute scale. Our organ of observation sits precisely at the threshold where the infinitesimal quantum foam at the bottom of the ladder finally steps into the macroscopic world of intelligent observation. That's the bottom ribbon here in this image. The Planck length is the smallest possible measurable length. And the size of your iris, about 1 centimeter, is 33 orders of magnitude larger than that minimum possible length. Fascinating. Societal and symbolic systems. The United Nations emblem, the City of London, and the London Eye all feature 32 divisions surrounding a 33rd central core or unifying hub. In esoteric traditions, the 32 degrees of Masonic initiation represent the path of learning, while the 33rd degree is the point of mastery that caps the established framework. The House of the Temple was inspired by the mausoleum of Halicarnassus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It serves as the headquarters of the Scottish Rite of Freemasonry, southern jurisdiction in the United States. It functions as the home of the Supreme Council 33 degrees, ancient and accepted rite of Scottish Rite of Freemasonry. It is located as the Pyramidion in the Street Pyramid of Washington, D.C. See my Secrets in Plain Sight documentary series for this geometry. So here's a diptych showing the mausoleum of Halicarnassus on the left and the House of the Temple in Washington, D.C. on the right. There are 33 columns, and each is 33 feet high. Number 2, the signature of alignment, 33 as universal harmony. When the number 33 appears, It often signifies a miracle of proportional harmony where the observer and the cosmos are perfectly aligned, marking pivotal moments of spiritual and physical mastery. Celestial alignment. The Sun is 333,000 times the mass of Earth. Both the Sun and Moon appear in our sky at a size of 32 to 33 arc minutes. This precise alignment is what allows for the sublime spectacle of a total solar eclipse, a moment where the hidden corona is revealed to those in the right place at the right time. Planetary harmonic. Middle C in music spans 33 harmonics or 32 overtones above the Earth's natural hum, also known as the Schumann resonance. And in this graphic, there's a spreadsheet on the right that shows how this works in terms of hertz, in terms of frequency, from the Schumann resonance up to middle C. 33 harmonics or 32 overtones. Religious culmination. This signature resonates through the narratives that shape civilizations. Jesus' ministry at 33 1/3 years. Many global reports maintain that roughly 1/3, or 33%, of the world's population identifies as Christian. Hinduism has the 33 principal devas of the Vedas. In Judaism, the Kabbalistic tree of life, the 10 Sephirot and 22 paths, that's 32 elements, are joined by Thoth, the 33rd hidden sphere of knowledge, which acts as a gateway between the manifest world and the divine. In Buddhism, the Great Retreat is 3 years, 3 months, and 3 days. In Islam, 33 tasbih prayer beads are fingered as the penitent receives 33 praises of God, repeated 3 times, plus one final prayer, a singular declaration of divine sovereignty that completes the 100 and seals the seeker's absolution. So we see this pattern repeating through all of the world's most populous religions. Sacred Trinities. Dante's Divine Comedy, published in 1321, is an epic poem divided into 3 parts, Inferno, Purgatorio, and Paradiso. Each part consists of 33 cantos, plus there is one more canto which serves as an introduction. Dante additionally utilized terza rima, a complex interlocking rhyme scheme based on the number 3, to ensure the very DNA of the poem mirrored the Christian Trinity. So here's a triptych showing the Inferno, the Purgatorio, and the Paradiso. This is Dante's Divine Comedy triptych. And then here's my Dark Comedy triptych, where we have a figure on the left from 10,000 BCE. And here we are today in 2026 in a boardroom. And by 2033, we might very well be integrating ourselves with AI. I'll leave it there for now, and we'll pick it up at point 3 in the next video.